Hello aspirants, get ready to conquer the UPSC Civil Services examination with an edge in psychology as an optional. You will be joining us on the exhilarating live session as we bring to you the ultimate approach to master the UPSC Civil Services examination psychology optional. So we at Legacy IAS shall be your gateway to success in this 2024 examination. In this live session, I'll be taking you on a journey of strategies, the books, the advantages and the disadvantages of choosing psychology as an optional. So psychology is a science of mind and behavior. It's not just a subject, it's a tool to understand the very essence of human behavior, the society and the administration, of course. At Legacy IAS, what we have done is meticulously designed the specialized approach for psychology optional. We focus on in-depth concept clarity, practical application to help you stand out from the crowd. So the questions we answer in this particular session will be about how we ensure the conceptual clarity, how we take an interdisciplinary approach, how we deal with the answer writing for this particular subject, how do we integrate the current affairs, with the optional subject, how many books to study, which all books to study, of course, study them all, or do we have to be selective? So, if you are ready to unravel the above aspects of psychology optional and wish to excel in UPSC CSE 2024, join us live on our YouTube channel on Monday at 6 p.m. sharp. Thank you for watching, and also you will be coming across such sessions related to other optionals including PSIR as well as anthropology. Please do take a look into it and make a wise decision.